All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're going to take a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, so first off, Eric has, left the building. He's decided to move on, so upstairs James has this Hyundai Santa Fe, and it actually needs a new engine. Now, warranty company is paying for a new engine. It catastrophically overheated, so we got a new engine from Hyundai. Also getting a radiator, so he's working on that. His Cadillac is James also came in as a crank no start, found no fuel pressure, and it's the typical melted relay in the fuse box under the seat. So got a new fuse box, it runs. He had to do an inspection on it after he got it running, so it's a Cadillac, so it leaks everywhere. So I ran out of work today, but the guy stays busy. I got this Kia at the end of the day. Complaint was pad fell off under the dash, and so brought it in. Customer had actually done an ingenious repair. They'd taped 2 quarters in place of the brake switch little pad bumper, and so they could not have brake lights on all the time. I'm waiting for a new bumper to come in so I can fix it up, because that's, that's what it came in for. All right, so Paul's got this Cadillac, came in with a crank no start, found an ECM fuse was blown. After getting it running, it set injector codes, and it's got a shorted injector. Paul did a bunch of other stuff as well, but he finished it all. Did an alternator at the last part of the day, along with power steering leak. Billy has this Hyundai getting a new transmission, new one from Hyundai. Having fun with that. So we got a new guy, Josh. He's doing a 4-wheel brake job on this F-150. Did a bunch of work on a Jeep earlier today. I think he all finished that up. So he's been having a fun time with a Saturn Aurora, needing a fuse box for lights not working. It was fun getting the right fuse box from GM. So that was not fun. He's got this Jeep. He's doing a bunch of maintenance services on it, including a trans service. He's got to fill it up in the morning and should be done. And he also got a new toolbox from Husky. That little one back there is his old one, and there's his new one. We're going to see how it does for him, and then we'll get a long-term opinion on it, but right now he likes it. But yeah, he got a new toolbox. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.